Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Sign into Teams with your work or school account and make sure multi-factor authentication is ready. Once signed in, switch to the proper tenant if you belong to multiple organizations. Navigate to the left rail and select Teams to view channels. Do not click away. If you cannot sign in, check password and network quickly so you can continue. This gets you to the exact place where joining a channel becomes possible and sets up permissions for the next steps. You're now in the Teams view. Search the team name or scan the team list. Once you find it, inspect whether the channel is public or private. Private channels show a lock. If private, click the three dots, choose Request to Join, and add a brief reason, then message the owner directly to speed approval. If it's public, choose Join or Add to your Teams list and subscribe to channel notifications so you don't miss messages. Make sure to set your channel notifications to the level you need. Once you're a member, configure notifications, favorite that channel, and pin critical conversations so you see updates fast. If you can't join, verify you use the correct account, then message the team owner with the team name and your UPN. IT can check membership policies. If things still fail, try signing out and in or clear Teams cache and retry. If that fails, file a support ticket including screenshots and timestamps. This helps owners and admins fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.